is up, my people? So today we are going to do a really cute look for Valentine's Day. I am not personally going anywhere today. We are actually going to be going out for Valentine's Day on Sunday, but I did a poll on Instagram to see if you guys wanted me to put this up today, so we are going to get started. I got this super cute palette from my brother recently, but there's a lot of really pretty pink sparkly colors in it, and so we are going to use that on the face. I'm going to use this really pretty, very light pink shade called Wasted right up here at the corner. I'm going to use that in my crease as my transition shade. Obviously, I'm not using a primer. I do not like using primers. Typically, if I do anything at all, I end up using concealer or my foundation, but because I'm doing such a bright pink look, what I'm going to do is my foundation afterwards. That way I can clean up any fallout if there is any. I'm going to go in with Amrezy right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer creases and corner of my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Anastasia, and it's this very shimmery color right here. I think it's really, really pretty. It is more of like a bronzy pink, I guess, almost like a rose gold color, but I think that what I have in my head, I think it's gonna go really, really pretty. And I'm just gonna take this on the opposite side of what I just did with the hot pink, and then just slowly bring that in so that I can blend those two together. I literally haven't done an actual makeup look on here in a very, very long time. Honestly, mainly because I really didn't think that I was that great at it, but you guys have messaged me about it, you guys have voted and commented about it, so here we are. Now I'm gonna go right back in with Amrezy and just kind of bring those shades together, blend it out a little. You gotta blend. There's no non-blending now, that's just not a thing. I'm gonna go back in with a little more of the Anastasia color. So it almost blended too much out. So now I'm gonna go in with this color Barb right there. And it's a very shimmery, almost like iridescent glitter. And I'm just gonna use that with my finger and put it right here, right on the lid, in the middle. I'm going to go back in with the first shade that I used, Wasted, and I'm going to put that right up here under the brow. And yes, I will blend that in just a minute, and then I'm going to put it right here on the inner corner. Okay, so now that I'm done with this base part, I'm going to go wipe off everything underneath and then go do my foundation and touch my brows really quick, and then I will be right back. I put on my foundation, my bronzer, my concealer, and then I did my eyebrows. I'm actually going to use this. So this is the Too Faced Lip Injection, and what I'm going to do is while I'm doing the rest of my eyes, I'm going to put this on my lips because it is like a plumper, and then I just leave that on while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. So we're gonna go back in with Amrezy, and we're gonna take that and put that right under the eye. This just kind of brings the whole look together, and then I'm gonna go back in with Wasted and kind of finish up putting that down here and in the corner just to make sure it's more noticeable. I love having winged liner. I just think that it brings everything together. I actually think it turned out really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take this off because that's enough for me. And honestly, what I do, if you feel like it's too red around or like you took too much off, I just kind of go back in with my beauty blender, Kylie Lip Kit. It is in the color High Maintenance. So I just recently got it and I fell in love with it, but I think it's perfect because it's a really pretty pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I actually recently just got this Tarte mascara. It's called Big Ego. Okay, let's be honest for 2 seconds. I got it because of the packaging. I'm not even kidding, but I actually really like it. Okay, and then I always put mascara on my bottom lashes. And when I see people that have like full makeup looks and there's no mascara down there, I don't understand at all. I don't get it. So I actually purchased this box of lashes from Target, but look at how pretty these are. They're all different. See that? All different. So I don't know which ones I should go with. I'm kind of digging these bottom ones right here. Well, the second to bottom, these ones. I'm not great with eyelashes. Never have been. But we'll see. We'll see if this turns out amazing or if it turns out absolutely terrible. You know, it's not so bad. Girls that wear these all the time, I'll give you all props. It's not terrible, but they're kind of annoying. This is my finished product. I'm gonna take it outside. Let's see if this really